Alright, cello players, we are working in our Sound Innovations book. We are on numbers 24 and 25. It is working on our C major scale, but your lower version, meaning that you're starting on the open C string and going to C on the G string. Alright, so here we go. Let's do number 24.
C major scale again.
I forgot to remind you it was also in 3/4, so 3 beats per measure. Same thing for the arpeggio, number 25. It's your lower version. And remember, it is skipping notes, so it doesn't play all the notes of the scale. Here we go, number 25.
C major arpeggio again.
I hope this helps with practicing the low version of the C major scale. Bye, cello players!